Hello everyone, welcome back to Draw by Annie channel. Today I'm going to be showcasing you some of my sketchbooks that I recently got in my travels, because recently I have gotten a surgery on my hands and they are still recovering. So to give myself a little bit more of a recovery time, I'm going to show you one of the favorite sketchbooks that I've got, and also some other things that were also intended for some artistic projects and stuff. Some of them were gifted to me from my friends and family, and a few of them I got from souvenir stores. And I also passed by an art store and found some interesting things to try out, such as, for example, a sketchbook in a hardcover, but instead of the actual cover there's a canvas so I can paint on it, and I can't wait to try it out. Let me know down in the comments which one you liked the most by the looks and what would be your ideas to use them for. And I hope you enjoyed this little stationery overhaul. I will be back with my art very soon, so to support me and help me recover quicker, hit that subscribe button, leave a like and a comment, and I wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you in the next one.